Okay, going to show how to get started with Virtua Partner on your machine. And Virtua Partner is open source, so it's hosted. The source code is hosted on something called a GitHub. It's a public site, and it's free to download. You don't even need to sign up, and you can start using the code. And I'll show you how to do this, how to get started. So first thing we want to do is go to the GitHub website you see here, and you want to click on this code button, and then click make sure HTTPS is here, and then click this this button here, and we basically copy this link to the GIT repository. It's a github.com/supergoldenz/virtuapartner. This is copied. Now we want to go to Virtual Studio. So I'm going to stop showing this one here. Let's go to Virtual Studio now. I'll make this a little bit bigger for everybody to see. And on Virtual Studio, which is also, I believe, you can get free of charge. With your Windows, I think it's free to get. So you want to go here when you open Visual Studio. This is the screen that's going to come up. You want to go to Clone a Repository, click that, and you want to paste the URL, github.com/supergoldenz/virtuapartner.git, and then click clone. And that's visible here. Let's click clone, and now it's cloning. It's loading up a new window, which I got to show. So let me show this new Visual Studio window. Give me a second here. I have to show that. We got okay, this one. Okay, so now it's loading the source code into Visual Studio, and I think what you have to do now is double click on this virtuapartner.solution, and that's going to kind of like load the project into Visual Studio. So double click here. It's going to take a little bit of time, and it's going to show up like this. And if you click this arrow here to expand, you can see the various source code files here. But we're good to go. So now what you want to do is you want to click on this local Windows debugger and click this, and it's going to load, start to run the program. So the program is going to load, and I need to show that here on OBS. So give me a second. I'll do this window capture here. Existing. Will this work? Okay, yeah. And here we go. You can see that it started this other window here, and it says it's searching for Virtua Fighter. And right now I'm not running Virtua Fighter, so it is expected. And I'll show you how to go next step in the next video. But this is kind of all it took to go and to start to run Virtua Partner on your local machine.